Welcome to our weekly garden check-in. My name is Kelsey, children's educator here at Ginter Botanical Garden, and this week we're checking in from the farm garden. I'm going to be showing you the plants that we have growing in the farm garden right now and giving you guys the opportunity to test your plant identification skills. So I'll show you the plant, give you a couple clues, and see if you can guess what plant it is that I'm talking about and showing you. Our first plant is a very popular culinary herb. It is used to make pesto. Did you guess basil? If so, you're right. Okay, so here is what our second plant looks like. We are growing it for its fibers that are used to make our clothes and lots of other items that we use on a daily basis. Did you guess cotton? If so, you're correct. This is a red foliated white cotton, which means it has red leaves, and we're still waiting for the cotton part to grow. That'll be harvested later in the summer and in the early fall. Can you guess the plant growing behind me? It's starting to flower, and it's a very popular herb used in beauty products and soap and aromatherapy, and it helps promote sleep and calm. Did you guess lavender? If so, you're correct. Okay, so our next plant we have a lot of in the garden because their strong smell helps to keep away pests from eating our vegetables. Did you guess marigold? If so, you are correct. This is one of my favorites, especially to harvest. And the part of this plant that we eat grows under the soil and is long and orange. Did you guess carrots? If so, you're correct. Okay, here's our next plant. It kind of looks like grass right now. It will grow very tall and produce fruits that grow on an ear. Did you guess corn? Like our corn, our next plant grows very tall and produces big flowers that follow and track the sun as it moves across the sky. Did you guess sunflower? This next one's kind of tricky, but maybe you've seen this name at the grocery store on the aisle with the sugar. It's a sugar substitute that is a lot healthier for you than eating regular sugar. It's called Stevia. And the leaves, you can eat the leaves and they taste sort of like a minty sugar. Okay, we have time for one more. This plant is extra stinky. And sometimes when you chop them, they make your eyes water. Did you guess onion? Thank you guys so much for checking in. I hope you guys enjoyed our plant guessing game and that you have a great week. Bye-bye.